everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how we make kibda in Yemen, and kibda translates in English to liver. However, when you go to the halal store or to the Arabic store to buy the kibda, they don't only give you the liver, they give you the liver, the kidneys, and the heart. And this is what the package looked like when I picked it at the store. So as you can see, it comes with the heart. They already cut it and clean it. The 2 kidneys. And they've already removed the silver skin. And they've washed it and cleaned it for you. And this arrives on their 3 p.m. shipment on Thursdays. Liver has a smooth and silky texture. So for easy cutting and handling, I would recommend placing it on parchment paper or saran wrap on a baking sheet and put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before cooking. I only froze mine for about 15 minutes so that I can show you the parts that I actually froze was easy to cut. The parts that I didn't freeze was a little slippery and harder to handle. I couldn't get them to slice into the thin pieces I wanted them to be because I was going to make them into subs and sandwiches later on. You can also cut it into cubes if you'd like to and if you prefer it that way. After sauteing the onions for about a minute, I added the heart first because it has a firmer texture than the liver and the kidneys. I cooked it by itself for about 2 to 3 minutes with garlic until it changed color, and then I added the liver and kidneys. I kept the spice blend for this dish simple. Black pepper, cumin, and curry. You could also add coriander and turmeric, and maybe also ginger paste. My total cooking time was 15 minutes on medium heat. My family enjoyed this dish for lunch with pita bread and milawah bread. It is up to you how you serve it. You can make it into tacos, subs, or on a bed of white rice, hummus, or baba ganoush. Kebdaah is a popular dish in the Middle East and in Yemen in particular. There are different variations of how to make the dish depending on the city and the country you are in. This is the way my family and my city makes it. You can add pepper if you want it spicy. You can add lemon zest if you want it a little sour. I personally like to have my spice on the side, and I like to have the kebdaah with milawah bread, which is the rectangular bread you see here. For a complete list of ingredients, please check out the description box below. I will also link up the video on how to make the milawah bread you see, and I will also put the link to it in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new from me today. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.